Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: Windows 10 or 11, OneNote installed, and a signed-in Microsoft account so sync works. Once done, open OneNote and pick or create a notebook, desktop app for full features, UWP for touch. Make sure OneDrive syncing is enabled so your notes back up automatically. Now create a new section, add a page to begin. This gets you past setup and into note-taking immediately, so you can organize content fast and reliably. Next, organize and capture. Use sections for major topics and pages for individual sessions. This hierarchy prevents clutter. Insert images, audio, and files when visual or recorded context helps, then tag items with to-do or important to surface follow-ups. Use Draw for handwritten notes on touchscreens and Type for fast text entry, while Search finds content across notebooks. Also leverage shortcuts like Ctrl+N to create pages and Ctrl+F to search. These speed the workflow, and finally, sync, share, and handle hiccups. To ensure changes propagate, click Sync Now or check OneDrive status. This resolves most missing note issues. When collaborating, share a notebook with specific edit or view permissions and send the generated link or invite by email. Export critical pages as PDF for distribution and perform periodic backups of notebooks. If sync fails, sign out and back in, restart OneNote, and verify OneDrive storage. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.